Distracted driving accidents in Waterbury, Connecticut. A split second of distraction behind the wheel can transform an ordinary drive into a life-altering catastrophe. In Waterbury, hundreds of crashes each year involve drivers whose eyes or minds were off the road. Connecticut recorded over 5,000 motor vehicle collisions linked to distracted driving in 2022, causing 8 fatalities and nearly 800 injuries. Victims suffer serious injuries because distracted drivers have no time to brake or avoid impact. Connecticut law prohibits drivers from using handheld phones or texting while operating a vehicle. Section 14 to 296 A states that drivers may not hold a phone, send or read texts, or access email while the vehicle is moving. Drivers 18 or older may use hands-free devices, but drivers under 18 cannot use any wireless device. Penalties increase with each offense, starting at a $200 fine and rising to $625 for third or subsequent violations. Violating this safety statute can constitute negligence per se in a civil claim, making it easier to prove liability. Exceptions allow calls to emergency services or use by law enforcement and emergency vehicle operators. Distracted driving falls into 3 categories. Visual distractions take your eyes off the road, manual distractions take your hands off the wheel, and cognitive distractions take your mind off driving. Texting combines all 3 at once, making it especially dangerous. Common distractions include looking at messages or GPS, eating or adjusting controls, and talking on the phone. Injuries include whiplash, broken bones, traumatic brain injuries, and spinal cord damage. Emergency room treatment, surgery, rehabilitation, and long-term care may be necessary for victims. Connecticut allows victims to recover economic damages for medical bills, lost wages, and property damage, as well as non-economic damages for pain, suffering, and reduced quality of life. The state follows a modified comparative negligence rule under Section 52 to 572H, reducing recovery if a victim shares fault but allowing compensation if they are not more than 50% responsible. Under Section 52 to 584, you generally have 2 years from the accident date to file a lawsuit. Missing the statute of limitations usually means losing your right to seek damages in court. If a distracted driver injures you, gather evidence quickly by obtaining phone records, police reports, witness statements, traffic camera footage, and event data recorder information. At the crash scene, call 911 and seek medical attention, move to a safe location, exchange information, document the scene, identify witnesses, and avoid discussing the accident with the other driver. Visit a hospital or urgent care within 24 hours even if you feel fine because some injuries develop later. Do not post about the accident on social media, and speak with an attorney before talking to insurers. An experienced lawyer can send preservation letters to phone carriers and build a strong case to prove the other driver was distracted. Waterbury car accident lawyer Dan Petroskey has represented injury victims since 2004 and understands how insurers evaluate claims and attempt to minimize payouts. He leads DeFronzo Petroskey, PC, a law firm that has served Waterbury families for over 6 decades. The firm offers bilingual services, works on contingency, and has recovered substantial settlements for clients. A knowledgeable attorney can help you seek compensation even if the distracted driver was uninsured or if you were partly at fault. Most cases settle without going to trial, but your lawyer should prepare every case as if it will go to court to encourage fair offers. You have the right to pursue compensation even when the distracted driver is a teenager, because parents may be liable for their minor children. A dedicated lawyer will fight for full recovery and guide you through the legal process while you focus on healing. DeFronzo Petroskey, PC, can handle the legal work while you recover. Call 203-756-7408 to discuss your case or visit our office at 255 Bank Street No. 2B, Waterbury, Connecticut, 06702, United States.